Hello friends, welcome to Learn Positive with Pradeep Kumar. If you're watching my channel, like, share, comment, subscribe, click the bell icon. Today's subject is Strength of Material, Unit 2, Solution for Problems. In this video, we are going to start the problems of the Unit 2. So, this is the video of part 6. If you want to see the previous videos of this subject, please click the I button on the top of the video. It will show the playlist, both the language in Tamil and English, and also it shows the playlist of the other subjects. Please watch all the videos and don't forget to subscribe. And today problem number 1, solution for problem number 1 is a circular bar of 20 mm diameter. I am going to read the full question first and then I will explain one by one. A circular bar of 20 mm diameter and 300 mm long carries a tensile load of 30 kilonewton. Find the stress, strain and elongation of the bar. Take Young's modulus E equal to 2 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton per mm square. So this is the question. Now we are going to see what are the what are the details in the questions. So the first one is it is a circular bar. So it is a cylindrical bar. It has the diameter of 20 mm and it has the length of 300 mm. Now we are going to give a tensile load on the circular bar, like pulling the bar on each side by giving a load of 30 kilonewton at the tensile load, and we are by pulling the bar we are getting the Young's modulus as 2 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton per mm square in the tensile load. So we are going to find the stress, strain and elongation. So due to the tensile load, the rod get stressed and strained and also change in length of the rod. So that is the elongation we are going to find about. So the first one is we are going to write the given data given in the question. The first one is diameter of the rod, that is small d 20 mm, and tensile load P, capital P, that is 30 kilonewton. And now I am going to convert the kilonewton as the K. The K is substituted there for 1000. So I will convert it is to 30 into 10 to the power of 3 Newton. And now the next one is length L, small l, that is 300 mm, and the Young's modulus capital E equal to 2 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton per mm square. And the next one is to find, we are going to find about stress, strain and elongation of the circular bar. Now we are going to see the solution. First one we are going to find is stress. The formula of stress is load by area, that is capital P by capital A. In this we know the load as given and we don't know the area of the circular rod. So first we have to find the area of the rod. So area equal to capital A, that is pi by 4 into d square. The formula is pi by 4 into d square. Now I am going to substitute the value of small d, that is diameter of the rod 20 mm. So pi by 4 into 20 square. The answer is 314.159 mm square. This is the value of the area of the circular bar. Now I am going to substitute the area in the formula. So the formula is stress equal to load by area, that is P by A. So the P load is 30 into 10 to the power of 3 as given in the given data, and the area is 314.159 as we found. Now I am going to substitute in the calculator and I get stress equal to 95.493 Newton per mm square. The second one we are going to find is strain. We know the formula of strain is change in length by original length, but the change in length is said to be the elongation of the rod. So we have to find the elongation of the rod, so we cannot use this formula. So I am going to use the Young's modulus formula. The Young's modulus formula is stress divided by strain. By using this formula, I am going to find the strain. Now I am going to transfer the strain to the left side and transfer the Young's modulus to the right. So I get the formula as strain equal to stress by Young's modulus. So that is small e equal to P by capital E. So now I am going to substitute the stress value and Young's modulus value. The stress value is 95.493 and the Young's modulus value is 2 into 10 to the power of 5. and now I'm going to substitute in calculator and get the result. Strain equal to 4.774 into 10 to the power of minus 4. We don't have the unit here, so strain has no units. So the value we found here is 4.774 into 10 to the power of minus 4. And the next one is we are going to find about elongation, del L. So we are going to use the formula strain. The strain formula is change in length by original length, and now I am going to transfer the original length to the left hand side. So we get strain into original length equal to change in length. So the formula of change in length is strain into length. So that is E into small l. So that is 4.774 into 10 to the power of minus 4 strain value into length of the circular bore is 300 mm. Now I am going to substitute it in the calculator and I get the answer as elongation is 0.143 mm. So due to the tensile load, the length of the rod is increasing as 0.143 mm. It is the elongation of the rod due to the tensile load. And then now we found all the three, and now we are going to write the result for this answer solution. So the result is stress small p equal to 95.493 Newton per mm square, and the strain small e equal to 4.774 into 10 to the power of minus 4, and elongation of the circular rod, that is del L, that is 0.143 mm. So the result is must in the examination, so you have to remember after the solution we got, we have to write the result. Friends, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, share with your friends, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.